Hello everybody, 𝗕𝗿ard, your forever agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Carolina Premier Properties. I'm bringing you along on the journey of the new constructed home downtown Wilmington. And I got a tip of the day for you. So if you're remodeling or doing a new construction, think about oversized windows. Now, you don't know, I'm about 5'9", but look how big this window is. It lets in all the natural light that is available. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope you have a great day and hope you enjoy this tip.